Hello, you're welcome. So in this video, I want to demonstrate Excel operators to you. These operators are actually useful when you are writing your formulas in Excel. So I'm going to pick the most popular ones and demonstrate them here. Let's get started. So here, the first one I want to demonstrate is the plus and minus. So just the normal plus and the normal minus. So while writing your formulas in Excel, you will need to use this from time to time. So in my case here, I want to show you how you can use it for your addition. So when enter equal to sign, you can just take this A and then the plus sign itself and then 5. You can see normally 5 plus 10 is 15. Now we have 15 here. If we copy it down, we're going to see that the plus sign does what it's supposed to do. Then here for minus, the sign is this, which we also use when writing our formula. So I can just put equal to 10 minus 5. You can see it's 5 normally. When we copy down, see it gives us what we are expecting. 100 minus 20 is 18. Now let's see the next, which is multiplication. For multiplication, we use the asterisk sign, while for division, we use this slash. Okay. So here, when we multiply 6 and 3, we're supposed to have 18. Let's see if that is what we get. And the asterisk sign 3, see, we got it right. 20 by 5 should give us 100, and that's what we have. Then for division, we are using this slash sign for it. Slash. Okay, we are using this slash sign for it. So when I divide 6 by 3, I should have 2 normally. So, and that is it. So if I copy it down, you can see I am having exactly what I should get. So these are actually operators that you can use during your analysis. Then for percentage, to a layman, is just the number that we have before the percentage divided by 100. So if we have 10%, for example, it should be 10 divided by 100, which should be 0.1. So 0.1 times 200 should give us 20. Okay, so if we take the percentage of 200, that's 10% of 200, we are supposed to have 20. Let's see if that's the case. So if we do equal to here, 200 by 10%, we have 20. And if we check for the others as well, for 350 is 35 and so on. If we check for 25%, which should be 0.25 this time by 200. Check, we just do times 25%. So you can see it's giving us exactly what we should get. So that's for the percentage. Exponentiation, which is just the power of. So we have the base value first, and then the exponent follows after this very sign. So we do, for example, this 2, and then the exponential sign, and then 3, which gives us 8. So 2 to the power of 3 normally should give us 8. 3 to the power of 2, which is the next one, should give us 9. So let's see if that's the case here. So you can see we actually got it right based on the exponentiation. So here we are checking for equal to and not equal to. So this is the sign to check for equal to, and this is the sign to check for not equal to in Excel. So to check for equal to, the first one we have here is 10 and 10, so which should give us true. But let's see if that's the case. So it gives us true. 20 is equal to 25 should give us false. 30 give us true, but this give us false. So here, not equal to should give us something inverse to what we have in equal here. So the one we have true here should give us false, and the one we have false should give us true. So let's see if that's the case. So 10 not equal to 10, that is false because 10 is equal to 10. So let's see. 10 not equal to 10. This should return false, which it did. So if we copy down, we also see that where we have true here, we have false, and where we have false, we have true. Then next, less than or equal to, the sign for less than is this, and the sign for less than or equal to in Excel is this. So here, 5 is less than 10, which is true. But when we check for 15 less than 15, it will give us false. But when we do for less than or equal to for this 15, it will give us true since they are equal. So let's see. So 5 less than 10 should give us true. Now 15 less than 15 will give us false. Okay. But here, when we check for equal to, less than or equal to 5, less than or equal to 10, gives us true, and 15 will also give us true. Okay, so let's just copy and see. So you can see that one also gave us true. And for union operators, now here you can see that we have a range from E1 to E4, and when we took the total, it gave us 84. A range for G1 to G4, taking the total, we have 90. Now, if we want to take the total of this range and this range, we are going to be using the union, okay? The union operator. So, comma actually unites both of the range, okay? As we will see here. So, if I do equal to here, sum, sum, and then take the range here and add my comma, I can now add this other range and close. So this is going to sum this and this. Okay. So if we enter, you see we now have 175, which is the summation of the E and the G. So next, we are looking at greater than or equal to, just like the one we saw in less than or equal to. 5 normally is less than 10. So if we are checking for greater than, it should give us a false. Okay, and then 15 and 15 should also give us false since they are not equal to. The 15 and 15 here where we have greater than or equal to should give us a true. So if we do equal to 5 greater than or equal to 10, gives us false. But the second one, which is 15 and 15, should give us the true. Okay. Then next is the range operator, just like the union operator, but in this case, it's just we taking the range. So we just do equal to here, sum. So we use column to take range. So we can just do this when we select, or decide we want to do D1, then use column to add the range. So after adding column, I can now add D4. So it automatically takes the range, and then and that is it. So that's just what I wanted to show you in this video about Excel operators, and I hope you found this video helpful. Please, if you were, kindly like the video, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.